Step onto the 2008 GMC Sierra 1500. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are rear-wheel drive, power steering, steel wheels, automatic headlights, MP3 player, satellite radio, split-bench seat, vinyl seats, adjustable steering wheel and steering wheel audio controls. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.